Namaskar, my name is Dev Prasad Datta. Today we are going to speak about spirituality and death. So, how death related to spirituality and what is the interactions and the interfaces between the death and spirituality. So, for that, we need to know what actually happens in a human body after death or just after death. So, first things is autolysis, that means self digestions. So, when we die, our respiratory system stops taking oxygen. For that, what happens is our circulatory system cannot transport the oxygen from lungs to the cells. When cell lack oxygen, it actually create a toxic environment. So that is how cell dies. So the death of the body, when you see, is actually death of the organs, death of the tissues, and death of the cell levels. After autolysis, what happens? We see a body, it lies like few more days, and you examine and observe what happening on the dead body. You will see that different flies will lay eggs on the body, and the uh, the the vesications, I mean the pores of the body, what you have, like the nose, nostrils, like the other the eyes, the foams will come out. So this kind of active decay will start happening if we keep the dead body for longer time. Now, so how does it relates to spirituality? It's We are not going to talk about what actually happens spiritually after the death, because there is no evidence, because the persons cannot feel, their physical existence gets lost in death. So you cannot speak or observe or can gather evidences what the person feels. So what we can do is, when you find that death is nearing to you, you can do at least three basic things. What are those? The experience, number one, experience. You actually focuses on what you got in your life and how you go through your life, and at the end, how much fulfilling it is, how much satisfying it is. So feel that fulfillment inside yourselves and stay happy. Number two is express. When you die, don't die with your leftover wishes remained untold and unheard by the peoples. Speak of your aura and your influences, your social circle. You speak about your wishes which are not fulfilled. So, number three is exchange. You will also find the other peoples who are surrounding you are want to tell something to you which they could not tell earlier. Ask them, so that you will know that before you die, you are satisfying to the peoples or delivering what they expect from you, your social aura. So these three things: experience, expression, and exchange are the three important things you can do when you feel like death is nearing to you. I hope you understand the influence you exert after your death to your near and dear ones is extremely important, and that is why you should interact with them, and whatever left over your wishes and their wishes will come into a common point. Thank you. नमस्कार.